Hi guys, today we received this respirator mask for living purposes. It's, well, this mask that helps you to respirate and breathe well when you are working with paint, stuff like that. That many particles are gonna be in the air, so you can breathe properly. This part is going in the back side. This is safe, okay? So here comes the filters. It's a 2 packs of filters. So let's open it. Okay, so here it is. We're gonna put it like this, and on the other side also. Okay. Now we open it, this part. These 2 laces goes on the back like this. You measure and get it right, size. Secure right here, like this. And there it is. This is how it looks with the máscara. It feels very secure. And now you can work. It says that it retains particles of acetone, benzene, dust, organic vapors, and gasoline, which I think it's really nice. It fits right well, and it actually seals very great. So I think it's a great product. It's lightweight, so it ain't that uncomfortable when you are working, and that's great. The straps are adjustable, which is something really nice and fits perfectly. I will really recommend it.